Hello, this is the Advanced Dynamic Pricing team. You probably noticed the Rule Type field while creating the rules. But why is it needed? Different rules types have different priority, from the lowest common to the highest product only. But the priority is not the only difference between these types. Let's look at the examples. We have the two rules. Cap plus gift. Cap bulk polo, 10% on polo. We want only one of the two rules to apply. Thus, if a buyer adds a cap and a polo to the cart, then he would only receive a discount on the polo without a gift. Now, our type rules is common. Our cart contains both a cap and a polo. It's easy to note that all the rules have been applied. Let's try making the cap plus polo 10% rule as an exclusive type and check the changes. Now there is the one active rule in the debug bar. Cap plus polo, 10% on polo. Thus, if an exclusive rule is active, the plugin ignores other rules whose filtered products match the products of the exclusive rule. The product-only type of rules is very different from the exclusive and the common. This rules cache the sale prices and also have the highest priority among the remaining rules types. The cache of the discounted price imposes some restrictions for the rules. Some rules sections are not available in the product-only rules, and there's no quantity filter in the product filter section. For example, you cannot add roll discounts or card adjustment sections here. But for what cases should the product-only type be used? In cases where you have a lot of rules or products and your site is slow because of the front-end recalculations of the price. You can massively migrate your common rules to the product only. Just go to the Tools Convert Rules section and click Migrate under the text. Migrate Common Rule Type to Product Only Rule Type. After that, click on the Recalculate Product Only Rules Cache button. In most cases, it is enough to rearrange the rules or check the box Modified by Other Pricing Rules in Exclude Products of the Product Filter section. Now you know the difference between rules, types, and can easily customize your rules, no matter how complex your cases may be. We hope our guide was helped for you. There was the Advanced Dynamic Pricing team.